Welcome. This video will demonstrate how to use the comprehensive scene management feature to organize your story. Starting from the main navigation menu on the left, let's select the Scenes tab. This is the Scenes dashboard. On the left, you'll find a list of all your existing scenes, and on the right, a pane to display their details. To get started, we'll click Create New Scene. A form appears, allowing you to build your scene from scratch. You can easily copy and paste content from an external document into the title, description, and main content fields. The form also allows you to define the scene type, such as action or dialogue. To further organize your work, you can add tags and link existing characters directly to the scene. You can even set a specific word count target to guide your writing. Once all the details are entered, click Create Scene to save it. The new scene is now added to your list. Clicking on it displays a summary of its details, including the type, word count, and associated characters. For more in-depth organization, you can click the Planning button. This opens the Scene Planning view, where you can define the scene's goal, its central conflict, select a point of view character, and track its status, from planned to complete. This is also where you can break the scene down into individual scene beats. Need to make changes? Simply go back and click the Edit button to reopen the form. You can modify any of the details you previously entered, and then click Update to save your changes. Finally, if a scene is no longer needed, you can click the Delete icon. A confirmation prompt will appear to prevent accidental deletion. Clicking Continue permanently removes the scene from your project. This powerful tool makes managing your story structure both simple and effective.